Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'll just jump right into this video so we don't waste any seconds. So you can cancel orders in two situations, either if the customer hasn't paid yet or if they paid but you haven't shipped it out. Then I'll walk you through the entire process of canceling orders. So what you're gonna have to do is just to click on orders here, very simple. And then here we have the order. I'm going to click on this order. And then here we can click on cancel. Usually you should see here the cancel button. Here you should see the cancel button, or you should see the cancel button right down here. So if you scroll all the way down here, you should see this delete order. But usually, as I said, I've seen that for other products, for other orders, you should see here more actions. You should see here the option. Now you also have the option to edit, to refund, return, and refund. Now, if you cancel fulfillment, here you should see the cancel order. So that's something you need to remember. And if you find this helpful, make sure you subscribe for more tutorials. Also, if you have questions about Shopify, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching and take care.